Hello, my name is Sara Oehler and I'm with Softflex Company. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy pair of earrings using Softflex beading wire and the wonderful universal Magical Crimping Plier. If you've never used these before, you'll be astonished at how easy and wonderful they are for making something as simple as a pair of earrings. Or you can do much more complicated things with them too. So to get started, I'm using about 4 inches of Softflex beading wire in our turquoise color. I'm using the 019 diameter, the medium diameter, which is the most commonly used of our 3 or 4 diameters that we offer in Soft Touch. I'm going to put the crimp onto the wire and then push the wire back through the crimp and cinch it down, creating my top loop. I'm going to simply string my bead on the other end, and I'm going to pass the wire back through the crimp tube again for a third time. This is a pretty tight fit, but it goes through. This is a 2x2 crimp tube that I'm using. It's a Softflex crimp tube, which means it has double the wall thickness of most. It's also very strong, very seamless. I'm going to pull this to my desired length. And then the next step is to crimp. You'll see in these crimping pliers that there's a little divot that's exactly the same on either side of the pliers. I'm going to put my crimp tube right in the middle of those 2 little divots, and I'm going to compress. When I do this, it actually turns the crimp tube into sort of a little ravioli. It should have 4 little pinched corners. I'm going to turn that ravioli on its side and again put it in the little notch inside the crimper plier and compress. And I like to go around it a couple times, so I will just gently turn and compress, turn and compress. Once that's all done, I can go ahead and use my Softflex cutters, flat side toward the crimp, slide it in, being very careful not to cut my earring, and snip off my extra wire. And the very final step is to take an ear wire. You can use the very tip of your crimping pliers to open it up. I'm going to slide my new earring dangle onto it and then close it back up again. Then all you have to do to finish your pair of earrings is make one just like it. Thank you for spending time with me today, and if you would like to learn more about our products, you can always go to www.softflexcompany.com. Thank you.